Now here we need to compare among some power of 2. Whenever power of 2 we are comparing, in the first case power of 2, in the second case power of 3. Whenever 4, it is nothing but power of 2 again. 6 is 2 and 3 combination. 12 is again 2 and 3 combination. And the entire thing I need to find which one is the largest. So some comparison it need to be done individual them, and we can reach to the final. No requirement that all of them I need to bring it in the common factor. Now, if I want to do this one, in which way I will be able to do? Let me take the approach that in a pair, let me proceed. This pair, that means I want to do comparison between 2 to the power 1 by 2 and 3 to the power 1 by 3. Now, this way it is written. What in which way I can compare? I need to find it out their common such power, so that this power of 2 will be integer. So 2 and 3 it is present in denominator. So for both of them I can take power 6. I can multiply by 0.6. That means uh, giving giving sixth power, like squaring, cubing, it is sixth power. So it should be 2 to the power 1 by 2 whole to the power 6, and 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 6. If I do it, it would be nothing but 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. It is coming as 8 and it is 9. So out of that, 9 is higher. That means this one, 3 to the power 1/3 is higher. It is, I have given 6 power. Again, I will be able to write them in such a manner that fractional power and comparison. Like alternately, alternatively, I can do this one 2 to the power 1 by 2. It can be written as 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power, no, 2 to the power 3, 1 by 6, which is nothing but 2 to the power 1 by 2, it remain, and 3 to the power 2 and 1 by 6. 3 to the power 2 and 1 by 6. So it is actually 8 to the power 1 by 6 and 9 to the power 1 by 6, at both are positive and power same. So definitely 9 to the power 1 by 6 is higher. So in this way, I can compare these two. Now same comparison I want to do 3 and 4. So before that, let me remove the written part of it. Now we want to compare the next set, 3 to the power 1/3 and 4 to the power 1/4. So what is the common power? Common power between them is 12. So let me do now comparison is between 3 to the power 1/3 and 4 to the power 1/4. I am taking two after two. I can take more also. There will be no any trouble, because here can I see power maximum as I have to take 12th power like earlier one. So this 12th power is also possible for all of them. So rather than going with these two only, let me go with this entire comparison of 3 to the power 1/3, 4 to the power 1/4, because everywhere I have to use this 12 concept. Now 6 to the power 1 by 6 and 12 to the power 1 by 12. For all of them, 12 power is LCM 12 is important. Now for all of them, I am trying to do in this way: 3 to the power, whatever should I write, so that 1 by 12, if I have kept, it would be 1/3. it would remain 1/3, and 1 by 12 already I have written. So power I have to take 4. If I have taken 4, 3 to the power 4 and 1 by 12, so finally it would be 3 to the power 1/3. Same thing, 4, and I want to do 1 by 12 also. So this one would be 3. Next one, 6 to the power 1 by 12 I have written. So 1 by 6 means it should be 2, and 12 to the power 1 by 12, and power in this case it should be 1, it would remain 12. Now let me comparison. 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3 is 81, 3 to the power 4 is 243. So 243 to the power 1 by 12, 4 cube, that means it is coming as 64. Sorry, 64 to the power 64 to the power 1 by 12. The next one is 36 to the power 1 by 12, and this is 12 to the power 1 by 12. So what I can see, which one is the bigger in this case? It is nothing but 243 to the power 1 by 12. So what it is for the power of 3. So finally 3 to the power 1/3 would remain the largest. So 3 to the power 1/3, option B would be the answer for the entire lot. By this way, we need to make a comparison of all of the data. Why I have segregated initially? Otherwise, 2 to the power 6, this big comparison I have to do at the start. You can make these entirely together also.